Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video tutorial. In today's video I will present how we can create social media content with GoDaddy Website Builder. GoDaddy Website Builder is a CMS tool that helps us to design websites without any coding skills, but in the same time it can be used to create social media content. To do this you need to log into your GoDaddy account and instead press click edit website, click create social media post. Once you get there, you have plenty of themes that you can use. So today I will use something related fashion. Just click fashion, and the theme that I will use will be this one. The first thing that you can do here is to change the image. To do this, click the icon in the left side image. Either you can upload your own image or can use existing images. I use an existing image. We resize the size of the pictures. If we want to style the pictures, on the left side we can style the picture. For example, we can add opacity. We can make picture to rotate. We can blur the picture. If you want to add text, just click text in the left side and add the text. If you don't like this text, we can style the text by clicking on the right side text and changing the font. We can change the size. We can add different graphic elements. I will add these rows. If you are not happy how this content will look, we can create one from the scratch. We just delete everything. Change the background. Remember, on the left side we add the elements, and then in the right side we style the existing elements. So we add the text. An image. We resize the image. We also can add different shape elements like circles, rectangles, but we don't need any. So we add a graphic element, this element. next step is to click continue, and this tool will give us the opportunity we can preview the post, we can write something about the post. So we can add this content on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. But to do this, we need to connect your social media accounts with a GoDaddy website builder. So I will skip this part of the video. So that's easy for today. Despite have some limitations if you compare with Canvas, GoDaddy website builder can be used with success. If you have any comments and suggesting regarding my video, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye and see you in the next video.